everyone, so it is Christmas party season, New Year's Eve, night out, so I'm going to show you a really gorgeous glamorous updo that you can do on yourself. So I'm going to start off by just creating some nice volume round the crown section here, so use whatever you like, could be powder, backcomb spray, and I'm just going to work these sections through and just give a nice bit of lift. So I'm just taking a section of hair, pushing down and just giving that root area a lift, and then we'll smooth this over. Obviously this depends on how much volume you like. You don't have to do this bit, but I just think because the bun's going to be nice and big, it's just good to give a little bit of lift at the front and the crown area. I'm going to do the sides as well. So I'm just going to gently now just work through this top layer of backcomb, make it all nice and smooth. Obviously just being gentle, trying not to take too much of the backcomb out. So I've brushed out my backcomb. Now what I'm going to do is just really loosely pin this. So I don't want it to be too smooth, so I'm almost kind of like taking my fingers, I'm looking in the mirror here, and I'm just going to gather just this section here. I'm going to leave the side bits, just pick these up and just really gently just pin this section. I'm just going to take some long hair grips, push those in and just secure that into place. So I'm just going to take out these side pieces now. I'm just gathering the rest of this hair here now, and I'm starting quite low down at the nape of the neck, and I'm just going to start twisting this hair like so. I'm just twisting, 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 and then I'm going to bring it up. Most of this is going to be covered, but I just want a little bit on show at the bottom, just to give it a bit more of an updo feel. So I'm just going to start by taking these hair grips again and just pushing that down just to secure it into place. And then I'm just going to get a little hair grip and just place that through there and just leave that there for a second. I'm just going to take this side section now, and you can kind of decide if you want it to come straight up like that or if you want to sort of sweep it down a little bit more. And I'm just going to kind of sweep this up like so, and then I'm just going to pin that piece in place. And then I'll just pin this one into place, and then I'm going to release this hair down. And then we're just going to have a play with this hair and just pin this up so we can see it from the front. So we're just going to put a little bit of backcomb into the back of this style just to give us a bit more volume. So where I've got my hand placed in that bun, I've looked from the front and I'm happy. So I won't move this hand now, and I'm almost putting the grips where each finger is. So just pushing that where my thumb is. Pushing it where this finger is here. So I'm happy with the back. Let's have a little look. So you can just see that bit of bun from the top, which I think just gives it that more kind of like going out look. And then we just got these nice little face framing bits. I'm going to do a little full spin for you so you can see it from all the way around. So I really like how the twist just gives that really nice diagonal look to the style. I just think it looks really, really feminine. And then from the back, you've got these lovely curls just coming out. You can still see some of that detail of the twist up there. And then we're going to go back to the front again. And there we have it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.